it's the fact that I need the currency that's escaping from me. Without the almighty dollar, tragedy it'll be. It's like they're trying to take everything from my grasp, and I can't afford to pay cause I don't have the cash. My life seems to be full of unattainable things. I'm hitting ignore whenever the phone starts to ring. Collectors trying to collect every dollar a debt and taking it all before I'm even getting my check. Damn.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
Without a pot to piss in or a dollar to pill, lacking nutrition like McDonald's dollar deals. I seen more things than the miles on a dollar bill, like when the chrome in your mouth and shine like Mike Jones' grill. I came from the struggle, so I know I broke Phil. I developed character, discipline, and will. I'm from Westville, where people kill at will, and they'll do anything for a dollar bill for real.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Well, I don't know if I'm walking on solid ground, cause everything around me is falling down. And all I want is for someone to help me.
What you need, see me, I need the whole world moving slow through the city streets. Old girl worry about the purses, should be worried about the kids first. It's hard, pick up another gig just for surplus. He hurt, but nobody gonna work for him. Depression post-mortem for the stress, but go forward, nothing to look back on. Too real while you act on, they take right in front of your face. It's like that though.
I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Well, I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. Hey, hey. Said I need a dollar, 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 that's what I need. And if I share with you my story, would you share your dollar with me?
I'm on the heels of bills like they owe me. Was on mine, what they all see and I. Born in hard times for real. Me and moms finding pennies on the ground just to piece together meals. Hand-me-downs from uncles when they was young themselves. Thrift store, get more before Goodwill. The goodwill prevail. I was taught to bill penny to a mill and I will. One bill at a time.
Well, I need a dollar,